Today we are going to create the Joker from the movie Joker of 2019. So if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. To create the white base for the Joker, I have my white by Diamond Effects and I put it on a smoothie blender to create a nice even layer of white. So you don't have to go all the way into your neck because, well, the Joker really has that painted face. And you also don't need to go all the way up into your hairline because the Joker in the movie doesn't have that as well. Now I'm still using the same white, but I have it on a filbert brush just to darken up loads of areas of this makeup. So once white dries, it isn't always as opaque or white as you want it to be. And in a makeup like this one, that is a good thing. So you can layer it and make different levels of white on your skin. And that is what I'm doing now. So I'm going to use the white to sketch out the lines for the mouth and the eyes as well. So on his left side, he has kind of a small blue bit over his eye, a small bit under it as well, and on the other side it's kind of higher and lower as well. So let us sketch that. And on the left side of the face, the mouth isn't as high up as on the other side either. So I'm sorry, I keep looking down because there is a reference picture there. Now I did the basic sketch on the skin. I'm continuing to Teal by Superstar to just fill out the spaces for the eyes. So they kind of stop on his eyebrow. Under his eye it is a bit smudgy. Doesn't come all the way up to his eye. With a bit of magic blue, number 216 by Superstar, I'm going to add some blue to this bit above the eye. To create the red mouth and the nose as well, I have the Maroon Paradise Basic Red. I love this color of red, so that is why I almost always use it if I need to put any red in the face paint. So yeah, let's put it on the mouth. And of course we need those eyebrows as well, so they are really high up the forehead. For the shadows I'm going to use a Star Blend by Maroon. This is the black one, and I have a lovely fluffy brush by Titanic Effects. This is the 209 brush, and I'm very gently going to put in the shadows for this makeup. Onto a smaller fluffy brush. So now the complete look is darkening up quite a bit, and I feel the eyes are still too blue. So I have the Rainbow Palette by Ben Nye, and I'm just gonna add the teal and the black to this eye bit to get a bit more darkness into the blue I put on there, or the teal and the blue that is. probably I will add a bit of black as well. And a bit of the black star blend on my lips. Well, I think this is one of the easier makeups I have done this Halloween season, but I think the makeup is done. I have the green Joker wig, and of course I also have the jacket to go with this costume. So I'm quickly gonna put those on to see if it is actually a complete look or if there is anything we need to add to it. There is the wig and the jacket, and I think I should fix this eyebrow a bit. Should be a bit more pointy than it is. The same for this side. So just a few extra bits of shadow on the eyes and on my temples. And with those last few adjustments to the eyebrow, the shadow and the highlights, my Joker makeup for today is done. So this is definitely one of the easier makeups I have done so far, but makeup doesn't always have to be difficult to be fun and to look good for a Halloween party. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and I definitely hope to see you back here tomorrow when we have a new video for you.